हाँ जी स्टूडेंट्स, वेरी गुड मॉर्निंग। आई एम मूर्ति, योर हिस्ट्री टीचर, गोइंग टू टीच यू थीम 1, bricks, beads and bones. And under this theme we were reading topic 4, tracking social differences, that is lying on page number 9. There is a big question: how archaeologists find out the differences between rich and poor peoples? To know this answer, we have to read this lesson carefully because we have some sources which describe us who are rich and who are poor. Yes, we did. Now I am going to explain the question which I have asked her, कि how we can describe the social and economic differences amongst people living within a particular culture, that is Harappan culture. Archaeologists have made some strategies. This is the method which they have adopted to explain the differences between the rich and poor people socially, economically. Means socially based on caste or religion, and economically, based on monetary status. Those people who have more wealth, they are termed as rich, and those people who are having less material or less money, that is termed as poor. Yes, Bete. First thing which we have to describe the difference between both, that is burials. You know what's the meaning of burials? Dead people who in these days we uh, dispose a body by burning of a dead person. But at that time, they buried their dead people. And these dead people, those who are buried, they are termed as burials. Means वो दफनाते थे मूर्तों को, हम जलाते हैं. That was the difference of that time and this time. Yes, बेटे burials. Archaeologists generally use certain strategies to find out whether there were social or economic differences amongst people living within a particular culture. This is the question, and we are trying our best to find out the answer with the things which we have. These include studying burials. So, first, what we have to do? First, we have to study the burials, which will help us to answer our question to satisfy your curiosity. You are probably familiar with the massive pyramids of Egypt. We have one great civilization, that is Harappan civilization, out of four civilization at the same time. First is Mesopotamian, or that is termed as Sumerian civilization, that is lying in Iran. Second is Egyptian civilization, which is famous for its pyramids, pyramid building, which is in Egypt country. And the third one is Chinese civilization. And the fourth one that I'm going to teach you, that is Harappan civilization, which we are reading for many days, that is lying in India. Very famous, or we can say very popular, very unique civilization. It is known as Indus Valley civilization. And here I'm talking about the Egyptian civilization, that is lying in Egypt, and it is famous for its pyramids. Pyramids means building, where they buried their dead ones, some of which were contemporaneous with the Harappan civilization. Contemporaneous means at the same time both the civilization took place. एक ही समय में हुई है, उसको contemporaneous बोलते हैं. Harappan civilization. Many of these pyramids. 1 minute, बेटे. हाँ जी। Many of these pyramids were royal burials. Means the Egyptian pyramids were made for the burial of royal people, for king and its family members, where enormous quantity of wealth was buried. And those pyramids which are related to royal families, they have large quantities of wealth, precious stones, jewelry, ornaments, because they believed life after death. Same was there in a Harappan civilization. People of Harappan civilization have a belief, have a tradition that there is a life after death. That's why they buried their dead people in pits and keep some ornaments for their daily routine goods with them so that they can use whenever it is required. It was their belief. Some graves contain pottery. It is mentioned here in daily routine things like pottery, ornaments were buried. But I was telling you that about that many of these pyramids were royal burials where enormous quantities of wealth was buried. At burials in Harappan sites, the dead were generally laid in pits. Pits mean टोए टोए को खोद कर उसके अंदर जो है हमारे डेड पर्सन्स को दफनाया जाता था. Sometimes there were difference in the way. ये देखो, the difference in the way the burial pits were made. Even sometimes there is a difference between the burial pits. Uh, uh, for rich people, they are of different type, and for poor people, the burial pits were of a different type. In some instances, the hollowed out spaces were lined with bricks. Means like they made this one pit, and these walls or lines were made with bricks. यहाँ bricks रखी जाती. Clear? Bricks चारों ओर. Some graves contain pottery and ornaments, perhaps indicating a belief that these could be used in the afterlife. Means here with the dead. Suppose this is a dead man lying here, and with it they kept pots. Pots mean bartan. The pots which are made of mud. Ornaments are kept with them. Even comb and mirror. Mirror means copper mirror, which we have discovered. They all these things kept with the dead person, because I have already described they have a belief that these could be used in afterlife. Means there is a life after death. So what is this? Why they are making pits for different peoples, different pits for different people. Like for rich, different pits were prepared, and for poor, different pits were prepared. Maybe could these variations be an indication of social difference? Again, this is question. Means we are not having any answer. We are not sure because written records are not read by us yet. अभी तक हम उनके written records, their script is not known to us. हमें समझ नहीं आई, and there is no alien, no person who was of that time which to tell us the story जो हमें बता सके. So our questions, our curiosity is not totally satisfied. Again, we have questions. हाँ जी बेटे, I have already described that they have a belief that there is a life after death. So that's why daily routine goods as well as expensive or luxury goods are kept with the people. And those who are rich, they are having luxury life here, and after death again that is considered that they will lead a luxury life. But the common people have only daily routine goods like pottery, comb, or mirror. Jewelry has been found in burials of both men and women. And now again this is clear. Means men and women are treated equally. There was no discrimination. Means women were not discriminated. They were considered equal. And jewelry, both men and women uh, wear equally, wore equally. They like to wear jewelry. In fact, in the exhibitions at the cemetery, you will ask what's the meaning of cemetery. Cemetery means ground where cremation, that is known as a cremation ground where dead were buried that time, and now we burnt them in a cremation ground. That is known as cemetery. And Harappa in the mid 1980s, an ornament consisting of three shell rings, a jasper. 1 minute, video. I have to change my page. हाँ जी बेटे. Yes बेटे. Ornament consisting of three shell rings. Jasper. Jasper means it's a kind of semi-precious stone that is also found here. Beads, hundreds of micro beads. Micro means very small. बीड्स मीन जो मोती माला के जो मन के होते हैं, देयर फाउंड was found near the skull of a male. In some instances, the dead were buried with copper mirrors. But on the whole, it appears that the Harappan did not believe in burying precious things with the dead. Means if we compare our Harappan civilization peoples with the Egyptian people, then there is less quantity of wealth which is buried with the dead people. But in Egypt, it is in a large quantity. So, no doubt, some things of daily routines are buried with dead ones, but not on a large scale. So this is the difference between Egyptian civilization as well as Harappan civilization. But they buried with their dead ones copper mirror because it is found from exhibition exhibited whenever a grave was discovered. जब खुदाई हुई that time we found a mirror that is made of copper. ये copper का बना हुआ mirror है. Mirror is not present here. Maybe it is broken, but its base that is made of copper is found. Means we have a proof that a copper mirror is buried with dead ones. So, by reading this, we come to know that maybe rich people have more quantity of wealth or ornaments, and poor people are having less quantity of wealth with it. But daily routine goods are found with the common people. This shows the difference between people socially as well as economically. थैंक यू. आपको आई थिंक समझ आ गया.